Turkish toasted orzo rice pilaf with frozen peas. Serves 4. Prep time 35 minutes. First, the rice. 1 cup long grain rice, rinsed and drained. 1/2 cup orzo, also called arpa şehriye. 1 cup frozen peas, do not thaw until used. 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, for toasting and cooking. 1 small yellow onion, finely chopped. 2 cups chicken broth, warm or at room temperature. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse 1 cup long grain rice under cold running water until the water runs clear, then drain the rice in a fine mesh sieve. Place the rinsed rice in a bowl, cover with cold water and soak for 15 minutes, then drain thoroughly. Finely chop 1 small yellow onion and roughly chop 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, set aside for later. Melt 3 tablespoons unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat until it foams. Add 1/2 cup orzo to the pan and toast, stirring constantly for 2 to 3 minutes until the orzo turns golden brown. Add the drained rice to the pan and toast with the orzo for 2 minutes, stirring so the rice becomes slightly translucent at the edges. Add the finely chopped onion and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until soft and translucent. Pour in 2 cups chicken broth, add 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, and stir to combine. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, then reduce to low, cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Scatter 1 cup frozen peas evenly over the rice, then cover and cook over low heat for 5 minutes so the peas heat through. Turn off the heat and let the rice rest, covered, for 10 minutes. Then uncover, fluff the rice with a fork and stir in 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice and 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley. Spoon the pilaf into bowls and serve hot. This completes the pilaf. Enjoy your toasted orzo rice pilaf with frozen peas. If you enjoyed this Turkish toasted orzo rice pilaf with frozen peas, please like the video, subscribe and hit the bell to get more recipes.